Hello everyone, this is Amika Mahajan. Welcome to my channel. This video is focused on equations of motion. We will derive equations of motion by graphical method. So what we do, we take a graph which is a straight line. This is velocity time graph. This graph is not being started from the origin, a little bit above from point A. This AB is the straight line. O is representing initial velocity U. And this B point is representing final velocity V. So this BC is V. Then what is BD? BD is BC minus CD. That means V minus U. And this OC and AD are parallel. So this OC is representing distance T. Because I'm taking time along x-axis and velocity along y-axis. So I'm taking initial velocity U and then final velocity V. So this is a straight line graph. To find first equation of motion, V equal to U plus AT, I will find acceleration of this straight line. So AD is drawn here, and this is angle theta made by AB with respect to AD. And AD is further parallel to OC. So we can say theta is angle made by AB with x-axis. And acceleration, we know that from velocity time graph can be known by taking slope of this curve. And slope is tan theta. What is tan theta? Perpendicular upon base. What is perpendicular here? BD. What is base? AD. So, in place of BD, what can I write? V minus U. And in place of AD, I can write T. So in this way, A is V minus U by T. Now, after rearranging the terms, this T can be taken to other side by cross multiplication. I get AT is V minus U. Because I have to find V. V as it is, U will go to other side. So it will be U plus AT. In this way, first equation of motion, V equal to U plus AT can be known. Now, another equation S equal to UT plus half AT square. Here I have to find distance. And in case of velocity time graph, distance can be taken by taking area under a curve. Now the curve is a straight line AB. So I will take area under this AB, and area of this region. But to find S equal to UT plus half AT square, I will divide this area in two parts. One, area of triangle ADB plus area of rectangle OADC. So when I put the values, we know that area of triangle, it is right angle triangle. It will be half into base into altitude, or you can say height. And base is AD. So half into AD into height BD. Plus area of rectangle, length into breadth. Length is OC and breadth is OA. So I can put the values there. This AD is T. So half into T into BD. What is BD? This is V minus U. So in place of BD, I can write V minus U. Plus area of rectangle. Breadth is OA. O is represented by U. And length is T. So what we do? I have to replace V minus U by some another term. We have already done in first equation. A is V minus U by T. So in place of V minus U, what can I write? A into T. So replace this V minus U by AT. So what I get? Half into T into A into T plus UT. So when I solve this, what I get? Half AT square. So I get UT plus half AT square equal to S. Now third equation, V square minus U square equal to 2AS can also be known by taking area under this curve. Now I will not divide this area into area of rectangle and triangle. Rather, I will take area of whole trapezium. And you know what is area of trapezium? It is half into sum of parallel sides. This is the trapezium. In this trapezium, this OA and BC are parallel to each other. So sum of parallel side means OA plus BC into distance between them. AD is the distance between them. And After writing this formula, I can put the value. What is OA? Initial velocity U. So in place of OA, I can write U. In place of BC, I can write V. And in place of AD, I can write T. Because in this equation, there is no requirement of T. So I will replace this T. How can I replace? We know that T is actually A is V minus U by T from first equation of motion by taking slope of triangle. Now, T is taken above, so T will be V minus U by A. So in place of T, what can I write? V minus U by A. And we know that A plus B into A minus B is A square minus B square. So U plus V into V minus U will be V square minus U square. So what I get? This S is half A in denominator into U plus V into V minus U is V square minus U square. So I will rearrange the terms. I will take cross multiplication. This 2A can be taken to other side. So it will be 2AS. 2AS is equal to V square minus U square. So this is third equation of motion. Thanks for watching this video. Like, share, subscribe my channel.